Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Sterling yen, euro yen, dollar yen, sterling dollar update today. It's 11:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Really late to the party. Been getting involved in crypto, which has been completely mad. And actually, really nothing much is happening in the currencies. We got sterling yen sitting right now at 199.44. We said we needed to get up above that 199.73. We popped it. Um, it didn't really continue. So really, right now, as it stands, the most important point in euro dollar, euro sterling yen is 199, the figure. I know it's quite a distance away, but that's the important point. Right now, it's like drifting nowhere. Um, it kind of, let me see something. Yeah, let's see what we got down to. 198.90, you know. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move this down. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is the point. That's the important point. 199.53 now. If we can get above 53, we got a chance to run to maybe 200, like 10 again. If it stays below this, it's drifting lower to the 199, the figure level, very, very important level. Could take us right back down to this box right here, 198.20. All right, so right now, sterling yen is kind of coiling, so nothing's really, nothing much is really happening there. Let's move over to good old dollar yen. Here we go, dollar yen, another place, nowhere land. And most important point today is we got 147.16. We've been sitting between like what 50 and 80 for like I don't know what is this 57 and let's say 148.15. I'm not even going to say that. I'm going to say like 50 and 95. Nothing else is really just happening right now. We recovered off this low of 146.21. So again, this is another important point right there, 146. I'll move it up to the close, right, 84. So I'll put a level right there. 146, the close right here. 146.84 is another key important support point for dollar yen. In order for it to show any type of strength today, and it doesn't look like it's going to happen today, but who knows? It's got to get above, I'm going to say 148.20-ish. And it's not happening. It's just coiling. Like we have the Fed meeting, on Friday in Jackson Hole. That's an important meeting. I think the market is just kind of neutral right now until they get some clue as to what Mr. Powell is going to say. Let's move on over to good old Euro Yen. Is this my Euro Yen? Here's my Euro Yen. Yeah. This is another one that really it needed to hold above this 172.40. It's drifting a little bit lower right now. It hasn't broke, but a break of, let's see, where are we here? What's the highest point we got right here? Hmm. All right. What is this point? 173, the figure. Yeah, it's got to get back above this 40 level, and then it's got to get through the 172, say 75, in order to attempt the 173.05 again. Um, as it stays here and it drifts lower, okay, because the euro dollar itself isn't really picking up any type of steam, we got a potential to go back down to 172, the figure, and potentially even opening up 171.70 again. Let's look at good old sterling dollar itself. That's another one. I didn't cover it. I'm going to cover it briefly right now. Sterling dollar short-term supports it's at 134.75-ish, right there. It needs to get back above, like, say, 50, 135.50 to show strength on the day. Again, I think this one is not really doing much either because the marketplace again is wondering what's going to come out of that Jackson Hole, Wyoming meeting. So really, if it breaks the 75 level, I think sterling is going to drift down towards 134.25. never really has shown any real signs of strength. And pay attention to the sterling yen. That would give a clue. If dollar yen decides to take off a little bit, cable could get hit, um, and it may get hit harder downward than dollar yen could go upward to kind of stabilize the cross. So that's what I got going on for you guys today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure that you check out in the description. You can get yourself a free video and ebook. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.